Hi guys, it's me, Kerstin Begley, website creation coach and UI click-by-click tech guide. Today, I want to very quickly show you how to create a product page with your Squarespace website. So, all you need to do is click on the plus sign in the not linked section and choose the icon products. And then name your product page. In this case, I'm going to name it example, click enter, and it's going to come up like this. And then all you do is click on the plus sign again, click or choose the product that you want to sell. For example, online course is services, digital product is an ebook or something like that, or a download or a PDF, and physical is obviously something that you send off. In this case, I'm going to choose service. For example, my online course, Easy Peasy Website Creations. Then here is where you upload the image. Here is where you enter the product service name or the name of your product. And a little description, of course. I'm going to cancel out of that here. A little description, and here is where you add your price. You can also make it a sales price. If you click into here, put your price in here. And if you want to give $300 or $100 off, click on sale, and there you go. See? And then you have given you $300 or your $100 discount. And now you can also add additional information here, which is just like a normal editing page like you would do on your website or your blog. There's also a forms that you can add to your checkout page. There's also options again where you have your customized URL here, double check that, and also social where you can share your product with the world. I normally don't click that because I like to manually share my link with my people rather than putting it out into the world. So for my special offers, then you click save and or save and publish depending on where you are in your creation process. If you click save, you just want to go to the loo or something, just click save and just save in between. If you are ready and done, click save and publish. And that is it to create your product page. This was just a very quick overview, but I have also created a brand new and free online course all about product pages and the commerce section in Squarespace, showing you click by click how to do it. So you can have access to that for free. The link is below this video. It's a 6-lesson step-by-step walkthrough and a real-life demo on how to create, set up, style, and share your products with your world, because the world needs what you have. So there is no excuse because it's for free for new and non-techie entrepreneurs and Squarespace newbies. So make sure to grab that. I am just about to create the sales page or offer page. It's not a sales page because it's for free. And grab it. I'm going to put a button here and I am going to share the link with you right underneath this video. Make sure to check it out because I don't want you to have any excuses to put your products out into the world. So let's do it. Let's get it done. And also, if you like this video, make sure to comment below or ask me any questions below in the comments so that I can answer them maybe in my next YouTube tutorial next week. And make sure to subscribe and like and click the little bell beside the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I would love to connect with you. I will talk to you soon here on YouTube. See you soon.